Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore how to insert columns from one array into matrices from another array. This is an important topic in data manipulation and analysis, as it allows us to combine and transform data in meaningful ways. Whether you're working with scientific datasets, business intelligence reports, or machine learning models, understanding how to manipulate arrays and matrices is crucial. In this video, we'll cover the step-by-step process of inserting columns from one array into matrices from another array. We'll break down the complex concepts into simpler parts, using examples and analogies to help you understand the material better. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of how to perform this operation and be able to apply it to your own project. Let's start with the basics. When working with arrays and matrices, we often need to combine data from different sources or transform existing data into new forms. One common scenario is inserting columns from one array into matrices from another array. To understand how this works, let's consider an example. Suppose we have two arrays, array A containing customer information and array B containing order detail. We want to insert the customer name column from array A into the matrices in array BB. The first step is to identify the columns we want to insert and the target matrices where they'll be inserted. In this case, we're inserting a single column, customer name, into multiple matrices, each representing an order. Next, we need to ensure that the data types of the columns being inserted match the data types of the corresponding columns in the target matrices. This is crucial to avoid errors or inconsistencies during the insertion process. Once we've verified the data types, we can proceed with the insertion operation. There are various ways to perform this operation, but one common approach involves using array operations and indexing. Imagine you have a matrix with multiple rows and columns representing different orders. You want to insert the customer name column from array A into each of these matrices. One way to do this is by iterating over each row in the target matrices and assigning the corresponding value from the customer name column in array A. This process can be repeated for multiple columns and matrices, allowing you to flexibly combine data from different arrays. To summarize, inserting columns from one array into matrices from another array involves identifying the columns to be inserted and the target matrices, verifying that data types match between the inserted columns and corresponding columns in the target matrices, performing the insertion operation using array operations and indexing. These key points are essential to remember when working with arrays and matrices, as they enable you to combine and transform data in meaningful ways. That's it for today's video on inserting columns from one array into matrices from another array. I hope this explanation has helped clarify the process and given you a solid understanding of how to perform this operation. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us create more informative content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and explanations on data manipulation, analysis, and science. We'll see you in the next video.